Imagine managing a building where critical safety information is missing, outdated, or scattered across emails, drawings, spreadsheets, and PDFs. Now imagine the consequences if something goes wrong. A fire breaks out, emergency services arrive. But no one knows exactly how the building was designed, what materials were used, or where the critical fire safety systems are located. This is exactly the problem the golden thread in BIM is designed to solve. In building information modeling, the golden thread means having a single, continuous, and reliable flow of information about a building. This information starts at design, continues through construction, and remains accurate throughout operation and maintenance. Simply put, the golden thread is a single source of truth for building information, especially safety critical information. But the real question is, why does the golden thread even exist? The answer lies in a tragic event: the Grenfell Tower fire in the UK in 2017. After the fire, investigations revealed a serious problem. Key safety information was missing, inconsistent, or impossible to trace. There was no clear record of materials, no reliable fire strategy, and no single place where accurate information could be trusted. As a result, the golden thread became critically important. In response, the UK introduced the Building Safety Act 2022, making the golden thread a legal requirement for higher risk buildings. The goal is simple: no more lost information, no more unclear responsibility, no more unsafe decisions caused by poor or unreliable data. So, what exactly does the golden thread include? First, design and construction information. This includes BIM models, specifications, materials, fire and structural strategies, design assumptions, and approval records. Not just drawings, but the decisions behind those drawings. Next comes handover and operation information. This includes as-built models, operation and maintenance manuals, asset registers, inspection records, and maintenance schedules. The key point is that this information is connected and not stored in isolation. A change in one place is reflected everywhere else. For information to qualify as part of the golden thread, it must meet 5 core principles. Number 1. It must be accurate, reflecting what is actually built, not just what was originally designed. Number 2. It must be up to date with controlled and recorded changes. Number 3. It must be accessible to the right people at the right time. Number 4. It must be secure and protected from loss or tampering. And number 5. It must be traceable, with a clear audit trail showing who changed what, when, and why. This is where BIM comes in. BIM does not equal the golden thread, but it enables it. Through standards like ISO 19650, data formats like IFC and COBie, and tools like Common Data Environments, BIM helps keep information structured, connected, and version controlled across the entire building lifecycle. Ultimately, the golden thread is not just about compliance. Let's take a simple example: a fire damper. It is designed in BIM, installed on site, verified as built, inspected regularly, and if anything changes, that change is logged, reviewed, and approved. Every step is recorded, every decision is traceable. All of these steps are connected. That connection is the golden thread. Now, this helps us clearly understand the difference. BIM is the process. The golden thread is the outcome. BIM gives us the tools to create, manage, and update information. The golden thread ensures that information can be trusted. Because when safety depends on data, there is no room for gaps.